Our hair and scalp can be quite the puzzle, so let's help you determine your level of hair greasiness or dryness and explore how to pamper your hair according to your level. And remember to get your free guide with food and hair tips in the description below to help you even more. Let's go! What are the 4 types of hair conditions from greasy to dry? First, you gotta know that the secret lies in sebum, our hair's natural oil that is produced by the sebaceous glands on your scalp. Sebum is responsible for keeping our hair hydrated and protected. But here's the catch. Too much of a good thing is not always a good thing. When sebaceous glands go into overdrive, they create an excess of sebum, which results in greasy hair. So here are the 4 types, and understanding where your hair falls can be a game changer in your hair care routine. We'll share all the tips on how to care for your hair based on your type right after. If your hair tends to go from sleek to oily in no time, you're part of the oily hair crew. Your sebaceous glands are in a party mood, and they're cranking up the sebum production. The upside? Oily hair is less prone to dryness, but the downside is that constant greasiness can lead to limp locks and an itchy scalp. Type 2. Balanced Brilliance. If your hair lands in the balanced category, congratulations, you're living the dream. Your sebaceous glands strike up the perfect balance and provide just the right amount of sebum to keep your hair hydrated without going overboard. With balanced hair, you can enjoy a wide range of hair care products without worrying too much. The hard part is maintaining this balance. Type 3. The combination oily and dry. Ah, the famous mix of dry ends and an oily scalp. It's like having a split personality in your hair. This hair type can be a tad tricky to handle. The key is to treat your hair as a dynamic duo and focus on each part with different care. Type 4. Dry Hair Delight. Is your hair naturally on the drier side? This means your sebaceous glands don't produce an excess amount of sebum. While dry hair might be less prone to greasiness, it comes with a set of its own challenges, like dandruff and a lack of shine. If you fall into this category, your hair care mantra should be all about hydration and moisture. Before we move on to the hair care tips, if you're enjoying this video, we'll spread some love by smacking that like button. It'll help share these tips with others. Thanks for being awesome. So what hair care tips are best based on your level? It's time to customize your hair care routine accordingly. Here are some tips to keep your hair looking its best. The first pro tip, and this one applies to everyone, is to detangle your hair before hopping into your hair care routine to ensure that whatever you use as products or as natural remedies, it reaches all your strands and works as good as it's supposed to. You'll love using TangleGenie, your strand-saving superhero. This magical detangler has a unique 360-degree bristle design to glide easily through damp and dry hair. No more painful tugs or hair wrestling matches. With TangleGenie, your locks become a silky, smooth paradise. Say goodbye to unwanted tangles. The next tips are split based on your category, but even if it's not yours, you might find some helpful tips that you can also use, so don't skip them. And get your free guide with more hair tips in the description below. For greasy hair and scalp, it's important that your hair care routine focuses on keeping those sebaceous glands in check while maintaining hydration. What can you do? Opt for clarifying shampoos that help control excess oil and maintain a fresh scalp. Always focus on finding a shampoo with clean ingredients as much as possible. Don't overwash your hair, it can trigger more oil production. Consider dry shampoos as your secret weapon for on-the-go freshness. Want to make your own natural dry shampoo? We promise that this one helped tone down the greasiness in our scalp and helped us ditch shampooing way too much. It's simple. Just use 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic rice flour. Dab it onto your hair, and voila! Rice flour absorbs oil within just a few minutes, so don't be afraid to leave it on and then just shake it off. We also shared other recipes in a previous video, so if this one doesn't work for you, another recipe might do you better. What else? Try incorporating an apple cider vinegar rinse into your hair care routine. It'll help cleanse and clear your scalp without all the harmful chemicals from shampoo. How? Use 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of clean water. Pour it onto your head, rinse, and voila! Finally, use lightweight styling products and avoid heavy creams that can weigh down your hair. For balanced hair and scalp, congrats on being in this category! Your hair care routine focus should be on maintaining this balance. Keep up with a regular cleansing routine using mild, gentle shampoos that effectively cleanse without overstripping your hair's natural oil. always focus on finding a shampoo with clean ingredients as much as possible. A lightweight, hydrating conditioner will help keep your hair soft and manageable without making it feel overly greasy and weighed down. You can also decide to ditch conditioner by using organic argan oil instead. Simply apply on damp hair once you get out of the shower and let your hair air dry. Say hello to soft and healthy hair. What else? Embrace natural hair masks and treatments to maintain your hair's healthy state. Though your scalp isn't overly oily or dry, it still benefits from regular care. So go ahead and gently massage your scalp every now and then to promote circulation and overall scalp health. For the combination hair and scalp, the key here is to make sure that your hair is moisturized at the bottom while balancing the oil production at the top. Use a balancing shampoo and a gentle cleanser to maintain the oily parts on the scalp without stripping away moisture. Always focus on finding a shampoo with clean ingredients as much as possible. The focus of your shampoo application should be on the roots and scalp, while conditioner should be focused on the lengths. This means that you don't actually have to always wash the bottom, as shampoo will do its own job while rinsing it out. This helps control the oiliness at the scalp while preventing over-drying at the ends. Focus moisturizing products on the ends to fight dryness and split ends. Organic argan oil is a true hair saver. Simply apply on damp hair once you get out of the shower and let your hair air dry. Your hair will feel amazingly soft and healthy. Dry shampoo is your secret weapon. When you notice oiliness at the roots, apply dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair. We gave away a tip of using organic rice flour in the first oily category, so go back to that if you skipped it. Regularly trim the ends to prevent dryness from traveling up the hair shaft. With styling products, choose products that cater to different parts of your hair. Opt for lightweight products for the roots to prevent greasiness, and use more moisturizing products for the ends to fight dryness. For dry hair and scalp, your hair care mantra should be all about hydration and moisture. Use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to maintain your hair's natural oils. Always focus on finding a shampoo with clean ingredients as much as possible. Opt for nourishing shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks packed with moisture-locking ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. Treat your locks to a deep conditioning mask once a week to amp up the moisture. Give your scalp a hydration boost with a homemade rosemary and mint spray. Boil water, add a bit of fresh rosemary, a bit of fresh mint, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool, then pour it in a spray bottle and spritz away. You can use this almost daily to keep your scalp hydrated. Avoid excessive heat styling to prevent further dryness and breakage. Incorporate hair oils with nourishing ingredients for extra hydration and shine, like rosemary or peppermint. Want more hair tips, recipes, and foods that are great to boost your hair? Get your free guide in the description below. Do you have any other tips that's doing wonders for your hair? Spill it in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And head on over to this video right here to learn how to use coffee to help you get healthy hair. Until next time, happy hair pampering!